Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry I went over the time. I guess I wasn't paying attention down at the bottom. I just have one or two more slides left. Again, this is just for extra information so that you can just kind of understand these a little bit and just some fun facts. Like, for instance, most comets, they will only make about 1,000 trips around the sun before they either melt away or they get so small they don't matter anymore. However, Halley's Comet has been orbiting the sun for 16,000 years. It just gives you an idea of how big it was, and that every time it goes back out, it grows again. So what's melted off, it gains back, and it's just replenishing itself to come back through again. And it's kind of a marvelous little thing that we actually get to see it. So, a pretty informative piece of information. Okay, so this is actually what they call it. They call it Comet 1P Halley. Um, and it talks about here how it got its name. That the reason it was named after Halley to begin with was not because he discovered it, but because he predicted its pattern, that it had a periodic pattern. So the P stands for periodic pattern, and Halley is the person who said that this is a predictable comet, that it's going to come back and be seen again, again, and again. So just a little FYI information. Again, let me go back through this. Halley's Comet and all of this information here at the end is just for you to enjoy. I got this off the NASA website, and I just wanted you to look through this and enjoy this information. The parts that I need you to know, again, I need you to know the comet definition, and that you're lucky to see it in a lifetime. 76 years, some people won't ever even see it again. I need you to know the difference between the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud. If you need to draw the picture here on the right hand side, that would be great. I need you to know that a comet has three pieces to it: a nucleus, a coma, and a tail. I need you to know that the tail always faces away from the sun. And if you need this information here, if this is easier for you to understand, then make sure you write that information down. It doesn't have to be word for word. You can put it in your own words, but it puts it a little simpler for you. And then the last few slides here, this is all just for extra information purposes. The link, if you use this link, another thing, if you use this link and it takes you to nasa.gov, you can look at other pictures of comets, what they look like up close, where the Hubble telescope took some pictures of them. You can see how many there are that are orbiting that they've gotten pictures of. Just lots of information there that you can go get. And then lastly, it's Halley's Comet, the most famous comet to us because it's the one that we can see with our naked eye, which means you don't have to have a telescope, and that it comes around once every 76 years, the last time in 1986. So won't come around again for 1476, another 62, 2062, 2062 maybe, something like that. Okay, so anyways, y'all get these notes written down, and again, I will post what my notes look like probably tomorrow so that y'all all have a reference. Y'all have a good day. Miss seeing you guys. Remember, wash your hands. Bye.